Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I promised earlier that I'll be giving free Coursera accounts. So here is today's free Coursera account with ready unlocks to support students. So if you want to get access to the account that has already been created with ready unlocks, kindly watch this video to the end to get the email as the username, and then you'll also have the password in the video. So if you use those two details, the email provided and the password, you will be able to unlock assignments on Coursera and use them for your studies. If you're late for this video and you didn't get a chance to get the logins, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that in future when you post a new video on Coursera unlocks, you'll be the first one to get notified and have a chance to own the account. Also, we provide free Turnitin logins. So if you want to have the class ID and the enrollment key, also subscribe to this YouTube channel or look for the latest video and use the details provided to create your own Turnitin account. So thank you guys for watching this video. Watch it to the end for you to have all the necessary details to create your own account. Always remember to subscribe.